Hi everyone.
Morning. Hi.
Or afternoon, wherever you are.
That's true.
So Mom needed to make something she uses every single day. To use it morning and night? Or just one time of the day?
No, morning and night.
Morning and night. If you've been to some of her classes, you've probably made this. And it's her homemade Soothing Salve. So it's great for aches and discomfort. It's good for your skin, moisturizing. So we're going to show you how she does that. All right, here we go. We're going to flip the camera around. So we already melted some beeswax and we've got some coconut oil in there. We are doubling this recipe. So we did 6 teaspoons of beeswax and 8 tablespoons of coconut oil. When I'm talking coconut oil, I'm not talking fractionated. I'm talking the big stuff from Costco. It's organic. This is her beeswax that she did. She did pellets. It melts a lot faster. So we've got that melted over kind of a double boil method. As you see, you don't have to have a double boil pot. And she's using a bowl. All right, so she's doing 8 tablespoons of grape seed oil. You could do jojoba, you could do almond oil, argan oil, but she's doing grape seed.
5, 6, 7. Oops, I made a mess.
It's okay.
8.
Yay! So we did the beeswax pellets first, and then we added the coconut to melt that down. And then we're adding in the grape seed. And next is the vitamin E. Do you usually turn this off? I do.
Yeah.
Because it stays warm. And when you go to add the oils, you want it to start cooling down already. All right. So how many vitamin E are you doing?
So I'm going to do half, so I guess I don't need that one. I need this one.
Half a
Because
teaspoon?
I'm doubling it.
Okay, so half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil.
Oh, guess what? I got the one that's all but empty.
Great.
Let me go grab one that's a lot fuller than that. Oh,
She has
forever
more.
for that to come out.
Well, while you're doing that, I'll show them what brand you use. This is a question I get all the time. So vitamin E, Nature's Gate. Make sure it's straight vitamin E. A lot of times they add a lot of other things. This one's got a few other things as well, but this is one that I have found I can trust. So you want to make sure you get a good vitamin E. And then the containers she had, there's Molly. She's helping. She loves coconut oil. So Mom's got her container. It's marked, and then she's trying to make up some extras for later. And these are the oils that we will be showing you that we use. All right, here she goes.
Oops.
So half a teaspoon of vitamin E.
Mm-hmm.
Stir that in.
I'll try and get it off the spoon.
Well, yeah, that too.
But I think if I put it in here, yeah, much
That
faster.
helps. This is a really hot oil combination, but I can already see on the edges it's starting to get cooler. Okay.
I'm taking it out because I'm going to add the
The oils.
oils.
So you do want it to start cooling down when you add the oils. I'll stir when you add, Mom.
Okay, so we do 8 drops of lavender. Four drops of cypress.
Oh, I smell the lavender.
Four drops of tea tree. It's coming off this.
Mm-hmm.
4 drops of frankincense. And 4 of eucalyptus.
I can tell on the sides here it's starting to cool down. So it's leaving stuff on the side, which means you got to start pouring before.
Start pouring this.
Yeah, otherwise it'll solidify.
Let's see if I can do this without making a mess.
Nice work.
I guess I don't need the other one. I think I'm gonna be good.
You said you need to double.
Yeah, I usually do, but I was like, I'm not sure.
It's deceiving in the bowl.
Well,
Can you fit it in there?
can I
Or
get
is
it
it gonna
all?
get too full? You can get a little more to that one. Yeah, I think you'll be able to get them in. There we go.
Good.
She did it.
Yay!
So then
I'm
you
not
just...
giving you that one.
No, you don't need to eat more beeswax. It's very cleansing to your system. We learned from past experience, right, Molly? Yeah. So that's it right there. Any words? Tips?
It's awesome to use on your skin, especially my hands and my feet,
Mm-hmm.
or any imperfected places that I have, which is quite a few at my age. So it's awesome. I love it. It's on doTERRA's website, guys, but it's a lot bigger container if you make it from them. I broke it down and made it smaller, so do it for classes or myself.
So here's the recipe. You guys can screenshot, take a picture of that. There you go. It's amazing. Molly agrees. She likes the coconut oil part.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Uh-huh. All right. See you next time.
Thanks.